you write. You're a very successful playwright, right? So is Debbie kind of weird around you? Because she's thinking,
No, she's brilliantly gracious about it actually, because I sometimes send line-tweak suggestions and she's always got a better idea.
I know, can you believe it?
I know, but she's always...
How are you still in it?
I know, maybe I'm not. I haven't seen the edit yet, maybe it cuts out entirely. No, she's always really gracious about talking about it, because she's been doing it for way longer than I have, and is much better at it than I am. But she's always really up for conversations about tweaks and changes.
Because you were doing a thing at the National at the moment.
Yeah, that's right. I've just finished an attachment delivered last week.
Released in the 60s, this became the only UK top 20 hit for this Wu-Tang group in 1971. Can you give me the name of the group? Who are they?
I just can't be the